Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little and tap on accounts. Now let's choose add account, obviously tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on I agree. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.